Rejection hurts. It can feel like a door slamming shut, like being overlooked, ignored, or told you're not enough. And no matter your age, rejection can shake your confidence and make you question your worth. But here's an important truth you need to hear today. Rejection does not define you. Sometimes rejection isn't a sign that you failed. It is a sign that God is redirecting you. Throughout the Bible, many people faced rejection before stepping into purpose. David was overlooked by his own family before becoming king. Joseph was rejected and sold by his brothers before becoming a leader. Even Jesus was rejected, misunderstood, and ignored, yet his purpose never changed. Rejection is not the end of your story. It's often the place where strength begins. Step 1. Pause. Don't quit. When rejection happens, the first instinct is often to stop trying. But instead of quitting, pause. Give yourself permission to feel disappointed, but don't live there. The Bible reminds us in Psalm 34:18, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." God is not distant when you feel rejected. He is near. Take a deep breath. You are still valuable. You are still capable. And you are still growing. Step 2. Separate the moment from your identity. Rejection says, "Not this," but it does not say, "Not you." One closed door does not cancel your calling. You were created with purpose, on purpose. Romans 8:28 reminds us that God works all things together for good for those who love Him. That means even rejection can become part of your growth, not your defeat. Step 3. Speak life over yourself. What you tell yourself after rejection matters. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "I'm learning. I'm growing. I'm getting stronger." Faith grows when we replace negative thoughts with truth. Proverbs 18:21 tells us that life and death are in the power of the tongue. Speak words that build you, not break you. Step 4. Reflect, don't replay. There's a difference between reflecting and replaying. Replaying rejection keeps you stuck. Reflecting helps you move forward. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Is there something I can improve? What did this experience teach me? Growth comes when we choose wisdom instead of shame. Step 5. Rebuild confidence. One step at a time, confidence doesn't return all at once. It's rebuilt in small steps. Start small. Try again in a low-pressure situation. Practice what challenged you. Surround yourself with people who encourage you. Isaiah 40:31 says, "Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength." God doesn't rush healing, He restores it. Step 6. Trust God's timing. Sometimes rejection feels personal, but it's actually preparation. What didn't work today may work later, when you're stronger, wiser, and ready. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds us, there is a time for everything. If God closed a door, it's because He sees what you can't. Final encouragement, rejection can hurt, but it doesn't have to stop you. You are not forgotten. You are not behind, and you are not finished. God still has plans for you. Your courage still matters. And trying again is not weakness, it's faith. So take a deep breath, lift your head, and when you're ready, try again. Because your story isn't over yet.